in the message, who is this Melchizedek? Brother Branham said, the sons of the Spirit have not yet entered into the word body. Do you remember that quote? I mean, you've got your book there. Yes, yeah. Right now, it's in French or what? Yeah. Just bring the book, and also let me take my. We also take my book here. Once again, I'm at Brother Kabulo's place, and we are looking into the message together. I don't know how this is going to work, whether I'll be able to do proper recording here whilst we discuss. How I would wish that we are able to do the recording and whilst we are discussing, because it's the only way we can record the message on the word. Right now we want to look into the scripture or into the court in who is this Melchizedek. We want to search the court which says the sons of the Spirit have not yet entered into the word body. Okay, that's good. The brother's got the booklet, and just start to read where it speaks about the theophany. When we from this body we go to this other body. Let me open my. Yeah, just look for the quotes. I can't remember by saying paragraph so. The sons of the Spirit have not yet entered into the word body. Okay, bear with us. You should bear with us, saints. My phone is refusing to open this other phone. Just write, sons of the Spirit have not yet entered into the word body. Or maybe I should make record this one. Rather, I should. This one is now beginning to refuse to open. Okay. Can I write what one? Sons of the Spirit. Sons of the Spirit have not yet entered into the word body. This one is refusing to open the show. At a crucial hour, it refuses to open. I think I'll just, as you are looking for it, I'll just have to stop this one. And then we can come back later to this recording so that I may use my phone to find the quotes which we are discussing here with this.